In this video, I'll show you how to quickly suppress emails in bulk inside Klaviyo. This helps you clean up your list, stay compliant, and make sure you're only emailing people who actually want to hear from you. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more marketing tips. First, log into your Klaviyo account and head to the audience section from the left-hand menu. From there, click on Lists and Segments. This is where all your contacts are managed. Now choose the list or segment you want to suppress. Next to its name, click the three dots menu. From the options, select Suppress Current Members. Klaviyo will ask for confirmation since this action stops emails from going out to those contacts. To finalize, click on Bulk Suppress. And that's it. You've successfully suppressed your list. By doing this, you will not only improve deliverability, but also boost your open and click rates, since your campaigns will only reach engaged subscribers. Keep your lists updated regularly and check your metrics so your email marketing stays effective and compliant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Klaviyo tutorials.